What's up everyone, and welcome to my channel. As you could see, today's video will be on a jalapeno challenge, and with me doing the challenge is my beautiful sister.
Hello.
And for those of you who are new to my channel, please do me the favor, hit subscribe and like. Thank you for watching and enjoy. So these are the jalapenos. There's 10. So I asked everybody on Instagram if it's reasonable to do 3 jalapenos or 5, and you motherfuckers said 5 each. So
This is a big ass.
Yeah. Okay, hold on.
so there's
Big, look at big ass
turning this into a porn. Okay, 5 and 5. Ugh, I'm kind of scared. I'm gonna open this up because, bitch,
Normally,
I'm gonna need it.
normally I don't do tecate reds, but today I think I'm gonna need a tecate red.
I brought some snacks along to help out. Pork rinds and then some peanuts. All right, so let's start. We're gonna do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Holy cow! Ah.
We're at the park, so.
Me muero.
Motherfucker.
I know, come on. I think we're only gonna do 3. Look at this. This has a lot of seeds, and usually the seeds are the spicy ones. Do we have to eat the whole thing?
Yeah. One down.
One down. It wasn't too bad, but it was spicy.
I'm fucking crying, bitch. Oh, they're staring at us.
It's okay. Oh, excuse
I
me.
think I'm gonna throw up.
You guys might hear me burp a little bit, but it's okay. This is like a. It's
I don't think I could do it. You know
one
what?
more. I think we could do 3, but not. Okay, we're gonna go for this one.
Bitch. I'm crying.
I'm done with the chile, so to me it's like okay, but sometimes you hit really spicy ones.
I'm getting a headache.
Really?
Me estás teniendo charcos de mocos.
My mocos are coming out too.
I think I'm a puke.
You guys, I love jalapenos, so to me it's like I love this shit, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna hit a really spicy one.
Do it.
And I kind of cheated. I ate a little bit of candy before this.
Yeah, fucking cheater.
So I think that's what's going on. I don't think I could do all 5, especially this big one.
You having your second one?
Yeah. I bit the whole thing by itself. Look, I just bite the whole thing.
Give me a little time. Wait.
There's some of those. Get some of that.
That one was fucking spicy, bitch. You know what? I think I would have rather done the spicy noodle challenge, but I was too lazy to order off Amazon.
That's how you eat them, mira.
Fucking crazy, bitch.
Vos tenés boca grande como yo.
It makes me want to throw up.
You're good.
Yours not spicy or what?
But no, this one's not that spicy. This one's pretty.
Mine are very spicy. I don't want no big one. What the hell?
It would be bomb with some ceviche or a sandwich.
If I was drunk, maybe. I'm gonna find out I'm pregnant. I'm just kidding, guys.
Anyways, I'm down to my last 2.
This one wasn't that spicy. Never mind, take that back.
Should I eat them or should she eat them?
Bitch, I'm not eating shit.
Que se comiste.
I think I'm gonna throw it.
She vomits.
Okay, you guys. I have lost this challenge. My sister's the one that can do it. So.
But how she lost and gave up before me, I will not eat these. I will save these for my sandwich for later. I don't want to have a huge stomach ache.
Jalapeño challenge
Fail.
was a fail. My sister is the real Mexican here. Straight from Guadalajara, bitches.
Es que soy de Jalisco y me gusta anything spicy.
You know what? If you guys, I could do a challenge on beer any day, but
Mommy.
Yeah. That had chile in it. You're not going to want it.
okay, you guys.
Look up.
Hey, go over there.
Yeah.
Just
Okay, guys. If I do a challenge on beer, I definitely could pass that, but this stuff, it just made me want to throw up, and I did throw up. I hope you guys enjoyed this short clip of us doing the challenge. My sister passed. She just stopped because I stopped.
yeah, I don't want
I
to stomach
only
ache.
was able to eat one.
One?
Yeah, it was only one.
These are bomb.
I hope you guys enjoyed this clip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Give me some comments. I just wanted to do something short because I will be leaving out of state pretty soon in a couple days. So I'm not going to be able to make any videos. Well, hopefully I can, but I don't think I'm going to be able to. So thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Let's go. Nico.